Kalvi Group of Schools proudly presents Kalvi Talks Season 4.
Hello everyone, myself is S.Thakshitha, grade 7 from Kalvi Global Matriculation School, Iyer Bungalow. Today I'm gonna talk about the waters of nature, a source of inspiration and sustainability. Nature, the intricate web of living organism and ecosystem, has captivated human imagination since the dawn of time. From the majestic mountain to the sandy ocean, each has beauty and capacity have inspired philosophers, artists, and scientists alike. It explores the significance of nature, its impact on human well-being, and our responsibility to preserve it. The beauty and diversity of nature, landscapes, mountains, forests, deserts, and oceans showcase nature's breathtaking diversity. Ecosystem, interconnected systems support a array of plant and animal species. By the partner, climate and weather shape our daily lives and ecosystem. Nature's impact on human well-being. Physical health. Nature promotes exercise, fresh air, and mental well-being. Emotional well-being. Connection to nature reduces stress, anxiety, and depression. The importance of conservation. Biodiversity. Preserving ecosystem ensures their availability. Climate change. Nature helps regulate climate, protecting it, mitigate climate change. Resource management. Sustainable use of natural resources ensures their availability. Human responsibility. Environmental stewardship. Protecting nature for future generations. Sustainable practices. Reducing waste, conserving water, and renewable energy. Nature's waters inspire, sustain, and challenge us. Recognizing its value and our impact, we must try to preserve and protect the nature world. Thank you.
ఇది సర్వదేశ కల్వి సామాన్యர்களுకు Kalvi Group of Schools